and welcome to Bee's Adventures, where we travel the world together. I'm Bee, and today we're going to talk about cash registers in a market in India. But first, here are some words you need to know. Credit, weigh, price, scale, weigh, credit, weigh. I visited a really busy market in India, and wow, it was one of the noisiest places I've been. I met Kevin, who works at one of the market's busiest cash registers. He shared how they manage everything.
This cash register has a small scale to weigh fruits like bananas. It shows the price immediately.
That's so smart. It helps when so many people are shopping at the same time.
The prices are programmed into the cash register. When we push a button, it adds everything up quickly. When we push a button, it adds everything up quickly.
Kevin also showed me how he keeps small bills and coins ready for change. It's very organized.
Markets get really busy. We have to keep cash registers clean and ready for the next customer all day.
And believe me, customers move fast there. I almost got lost in the crowd, but it was exciting.
Our cash registers don't take credit cards, so people usually pay with cash. It makes work faster. Our cash registers don't take credit cards, so people usually pay with cash. It makes work faster.
I even tried using the cash register. I'm good at many things, but wow, Kevin is way better at this. Thanks for listening to Bee's Adventures. See you soon.